it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all have been well. Tonight I'm coming with a easy, I hope it's easy, cook with me. I've gotten off of work and I thought about what I was going to cook for dinner today. We usually kind of rotate certain dishes, especially throughout the work week, because I work outside the home, so I'm trying to look for something that's a little easy but also good that everybody will like. So I knew that we had broccoli at home. We had some chicken breast strips that I took out that I was going to do some meal prep with, but I didn't, so I needed to go ahead and cook it up before it went bad. And we had rice. So what I'm gonna do is a recipe that I found on Pinterest, which is, well, I'm gonna attempt to do it. Hopefully it's good. A 1-pot cheesy chicken broccoli rice casserole. So basically what it said that we would need was, of course, the broccoli, chicken breast strips. I'm gonna use 2 bags of rice. It really didn't tell you. I think it told you in cups, I wanna say. It also called for sour cream. I thought that was a little weird, but I may or may not use it. Cream of chicken, some breadcrumbs, and cheddar cheese. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so basically, you guys, I've got 3 pots going. I've got this one that I'm gonna put my broccoli in. I've got this one that I am going to put the rice in, and I got the 10-minute rice because we don't need to be making rice, you know, regular rice. It takes forever. That may not come out well for an easy weeknight meal. And then I've also got a pan for the chicken that I'm going to cook, and from the looks of it, everything is going to go in this one pan eventually. So I'm going to season my water. I don't know if you guys do, but even when you're cooking vegetables, rice, anything like that, always season your water. It makes a difference. All right, so if you have olive oil, you can cook the chicken with that. So I'm gonna start cooking the chicken while the water boils for the broccoli and the rice. I was out of olive oil, so I'm just gonna use a little pat of butter to cook the chicken in. So I'm gonna add that to the skillet and let that melt down. So while that's melting down, I'm going to season my chicken. I'm pretty sure it'll probably taste good without seasoning. It didn't call for it in the recipe, but I like to season my meat. So I'm just gonna season it simply this time, and just to give it a little more flavor. So what I'm gonna season it with is accent, pepper, and salt. So I don't wanna over season it and take the flavor away, so I'm just gonna use these, and that should be good. So just a little accent, pepper, and salt. I've just gotten 2 of the minute rice, and this is 10-minute rice. I might have too much water in there, but I'll check that. And then I think I'm gonna add probably 1/3 of this broccoli. I don't want it to be too much. You know what? I'm just gonna cook it off. While the chicken, broccoli, and rice is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and start the sauce, start prepping the sauce, which is the only ingredients that I'm using is the cream of chicken, and I'm gonna do just a little bit of the sour cream, so I'm gonna do that now. All right, so I'm gonna add the cream of chicken. Y'all make sure y'all rinse off y'all lids. I know a lot of you know it, but just in case for all the new cookers, not saying that I am, you know, a chef or anything, but it's just a, you know, a tip to make sure you rinse off the lids of any canned goods that you use. Made it easy and getting the little pop top, so I won't have to fool with a can opener. And I'm gonna add just a little sour cream. If y'all are sour cream lovers, aren't y'all loving the squeezed sour cream? Love these. Makes it just so much easier. It's probably about 3 tablespoons maybe. I'm just gonna mix this up. I have never been a cream of chicken kind of person, y'all. I've just recently started using, you know, cream of chicken to cook with and cream of mushroom. I just did not like the consistency of it. I'm not good with textures. So, you know, but once I get past that, then I'm good. To make things easier, I'm gonna go ahead and combine the chicken, the rice, and the broccoli into this one bowl and mix it up. Ooh, it's hot. Because I like butter on my rice, I'm just gonna add a little butter to it. And while I'm mixing this up, I went ahead and, I know you heard the oven beep, went ahead and preheated the oven for 350. I'm also gonna season it some more with salt and pepper. It smells so good, y'all. You can eat it just like this. So I'm gonna put this to the side and then get my baking dish together. I was gonna make it all in that one pot, but I'm kind of like altering the recipe up for my liking. So I want the breadcrumbs and the cheese to kind of brown on top. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for just a little bit. I'm gonna bake it for a little bit and then broil it so that I can get the top all caramelized. For the breadcrumbs to go on top, I'm going to just melt some butter and mix it with the breadcrumbs to make it easier to pour on top. So I've got my melted butter and I'm just gonna add some breadcrumbs. I'm just gonna eyeball it, y'all, you know, whatever you want. And mix it and then add some more. My baking dish, I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken, broccoli, and rice to the pan and then go from there. Before I do that, to ensure that it does not stick and it cooks well, I am just going to spread the bottom with some butter. And then of course it'll melt the bottom as well. It's my first time making it, so I really don't want to ruin it. And I don't have a plan B for dinner, so unless we just make some sandwiches. But I'm confident it should come out pretty good. Okay, y'all, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to get my boys, Jalen and Josh, to taste test from me, y'all. They don't lie to me. Well, he doesn't lie to me. I hope he doesn't. He's more nice. Jalen's more nice. Joshua is like real deal. This is my answer. You're not mean, bud, but I appreciate your honesty. So I'm going to plate this up and see if they like it. Say your grace. All right, let's see. It's hot. Let me know what you think. So what do y'all think? It's good? It's good? Yeah. I tasted it myself, y'all, and it's pretty good. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, you guys. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will try to link the Pinterest recipe, but if you just type in broccoli, chicken, the ingredients basically, broccoli, chicken, rice, all of them just come up, and there's so many of them. So thank you so much for watching this video, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.